Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix VPN error and play Roblox anywhere in the world. So the error can only occur when you will play Roblox using any third-party VPN or any free VPN, because when you will do that you will face three types of issue in Roblox. So the first issue is either you will not be able to join any server in Roblox. The second issue, if you join the server, you won't be able to move. And the most worst of all, you will get your account disabled permanently. That's the main three issues that you will find where you will play Roblox with any cheap or free VPN. The only fix for this problem is you have to use some premium VPNs. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few premium VPNs that you can try. So the first VPN that you should try is ExpressVPN. It is one of the best or the best VPN for Roblox, but it is on the bit pricey side, because you will have to pay at least $12.95 a month in order to actually use ExpressVPN. If you're able to get this, you will have the best VPN for playing Roblox, and it is also supported with Netflix and Hulu and any other streaming platform too. So if you can get ExpressVPN, please go for it, because it's the best. If you're unable to get the ExpressVPN, just simply try to get NordVPN. It is also one of the best, but in this you will have some limited options. So as you can see, the fees over here is also low, but the limitation that NordVPN has over ExpressVPN, the servers which is available in NordVPN, there aren't a huge amount of servers across the world that can support your high-speed Roblox. But for most of you, the problem will be solved with NordVPN as well, because it supports up to more than 5,000 servers across the world. So you won't be exactly having a problem. Let's say you have less funds and you still want to play Roblox. The last option for you is Surfshark over here. It is also one of the good VPNs, and you will have all the premium features that you can find in both Nord and ExpressVPN. And it is also one of the most cheapest of all of them. Now, if you might be thinking what exactly might I suggest, for me, I personally use NordVPN, as you can see right over here. So using NordVPN is very simple because the interface is very easy to use. So all you have to do is, let's say you want to play Roblox and you want to connect to a server in US. All you have to do is just simply click on US over here in the top bar, or just simply search for US in the search menu right over here. You will find US, and in cities, if you want to search by cities, you will also have that option. So let's say you want to get into a server of New York City, just simply choose that option and you will be able to connect to New York City, and then you should start your Roblox like normal you would, and then you'll be able to play Roblox without any issue. That's it, and thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe to our channel. Take care.